And now for something truly unique, the grand opening of Total Floors at the Denver Design Center. I'm Chef Mark Kalix, and I'm here to help celebrate the grand opening of what is just so much work to bring this very special showroom to the Denver audience. So we're gonna go take a tour, look at all the wonderful things, and most importantly, the functional Monogram kitchen. I've been here all day cooking, and I can't wait to take you on a tour. Let's go. Our trade partners here at Total Floors have everything. They specialize in all kinds of flooring, and they've separated by different styles of finishing. So here we are, beautiful hardwoods of different styles. The showroom is fantastic. What's that? Yeah, they got tile too. Let's go check that out. I am told that a trend in tile is the big panels. These panels are big enough to fill an entire, let's say, bathroom space with one sheet of tile. And what does that give you? A seamless look. Gotta love that. I had no idea that Total Floors was gonna feature Hunter Douglas blinds. This is the Hunter Douglas blind area for the entire Denver Design Center. It's been explained to me that this is a store-in-store. So you can come here and see all the different styles and finishing. So when you're making a really special home, Total Floors is more than just floors. Total Floors is also your source for cafe appliances. We've partnered with Appliance Factory FineLines to show off all of these beautiful appliances. So we have two flavors of cafe here. One of my favorites, the flat white. I think if I was gonna choose appliances for my home right this moment, flat white fits into my design aesthetic. And I just love that you can come to Total Floors and really do most of your home in one place. It truly is a builder source. Let's go check out Monogram. For me, the star of the show, the Monogram kitchen. You can see all this bright work here. The brass 96-inch columns. We are featuring the brass hood. We've got all the special leather features and the door handles. So many special details here in the Monogram appliances.
I'll shoot him at scratch.
Even the wine sommelier. I love it. Let's go take a closer look at some of these beautiful Monogram appliances. All right, Camille, so you've been rocking the pizza oven, the hearth oven, all afternoon. How many pieces do you think you've made?
Maybe 50?
50?
More?
I don't know. It
A
seems
lot?
every time I look over, they're flying out of the oven.
As you can tell.
So
Well
this is
done.
your first time using the Monogram hearth oven. Any initial impressions?
I love it. It's quick, it's fast, it's efficient, and the pizzas turn out perfect every single time.
They have that pizzeria quality, don't they?
100%.
Yeah.
They're
And
wonderful.
what did you make for us right now?
This is a vegetarian pizza, so we've got mushrooms, tomatoes, some basil, onions, a lot of yummy things.
All right, I'll be back for a slice.
Perfect.
What pizza party means to me is gathering around a hearth oven, making pizzas. As people are coming up, we take requests. And then also, what's a pizza party without mac and cheese? And you can see with just a little heavy cream in there and some cheese, it just thickens and adds quite a bit of creaminess and richness. And that's ready to go. Well, it's a good party. Like any grand opening, we have been cooking all day long. So pardon our dust. We're exhausted, but we're excited to have been able to share so much wonderful food with everybody who's joined us for the grand opening here at Total Floors. I'm Chef Mark. Thanks for joining us on the tour of Total Floors, and we'll catch you next time.